more from the fucking emergency cunts. Corrupt, so they're called. All they do is play their sirens whenever they feel their little informers have been smited. They started up pretty much, sat on the decking there and doing the bullshit, burping and directed bullshit, subliminal bullshit and all this shit. So, I did what I usually do. Then they fucked up, and then as soon as they did sirens from the usual culprits again. Because they react in real time when their little buddies get. I heard them do a phone call as well, so they're probably telling their little informer buddies in the emergency services to play the sirens. So it's like a hive mind mentality these rejects have. Still got the construction noise as well. That's been non-stop for the last month, on and off. I guess everyone around here is building something. No, it's bullshit. It's noise campaign. Yeah, not to do that bullshit.